here's the colors I'm going to be using today. And then here are the tools that I'm going to swipe with this, put the black over with this, and I'm going to transfer my swipe with this big dustpan. So first I'm going to put my paint on the canvas, and then I'm going to set that aside. And then I'm going to put paint on my tile. This is a 12 by 16 canvas. And I made several mistakes with this painting. Like I think I put way too much paint down. And then, anyway, I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna get my tile out and we will go from there. So, I don't think we need a ton of paint on here. So I'm gonna speed most of this up, and I'm gonna just put down my colors, and then I'm gonna cover it with the black, and then I'll do a swipe on it, and then we'll transfer that over. And I'm just gonna let you listen to some music and watch. All my colors will be listed in the description. So I'm using a black and a gold cell activators. Okay, we'll move that aside. We'll get our canvas up here, and I'll put a little bit of paint on the dustpan, and then we'll scoop that up and transfer that over to the 12 by 16 canvas. And here I make several mistakes. The canvas started moving, then I moved the dustpan across and got all that white on there. So you get to watch me try and fix all that. And then right here, I make another mistake. Lots of mistakes on this one. But the end result turned out gorgeous, so I'll let you watch. Okay, so I think I'm done. I'm just gonna clean off the bottom of the canvas here, and I will bring you in for a close-up. So I ended up stretching this corner out because I couldn't stand that white where I got that white at. Those I can deal with. So it stretched out a lot more. Still looks pretty good though. I'm definitely going to try it again, and I'm going to try to do all the right things instead of all the wrong things. So be watching for that one. I might do it Monday. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next one.